Hi friend, welcome to the Live Studies channel. Today I am going to discuss MySQL interview question and answer. So let's start. My first question is, can you tell what are the different set operations available in a MySQL? The various set operations available in a MySQL are follow like union all, means, intersect. This operation return all the distinct rows selected by a query. Union means this operation return all the row selected by a query and also include the duplicate row. Means this operation return all the distinct row selected by the first query but does not select the row selected by the second query. Intersect this operation return all the distinct row selected by both query, right? Move to the another question is, what are the table in MySQL? Explain the type. MySQL store everything in logic tables can be through of as the core storage structure MySQL, and hence tables are also known as storage engine. Here are the storage engine provided by MySQL. First, MySM, merge, achieve, CSV file, InnoDB, memory or federated. The first request MySM means is the default storage engine for MySQL. It extends the former ISM storage engine means MySM offer big storage up to the 256 TB means ISM means store 256 TB, right? The table can also be composed to get extra storage. MySM table are not a transaction safe. Okay, it's not a transaction safe. Second point is merge. A merge table is a virtual table that consolidate different MySM table that have a comparable structure to one table. Merge table use the indexes of the base table as they do not have indexes of their own. Simple word means in a merge there are two tables. Okay, you can merge and create the next another table. Okay, another point is achieve. As the name suggests, achieve help in achieving the tables by compressing them, in turn reducing the storage space. Hence, you can store a lot of records with the achieve. It use the decompression procedure while writing and reading the table records. It is done using the zlib library. Okay, another point is .csv file. The more like a storage format means CSV engine storage that value in the comma separate value format. This engine makes it easier to migrate the table into a non-SQL pipeline. InnoDB is very famous. InnoDB is the most optimal while choosing an engine to drive perform. InnoDB is a transaction safe engine, hence it is a ACDT complaint means atomicity, capacity, isolated or density. Complain and each efficiently store your database to the most suitable state in case of crash. Memory table we formerly known as a heap. With memory tables there can be a performance boost as the table are stored in the memory, but it does not work with large data table due to the same reason. Okay, last one is differentiated table allow accessing remote MySQL server tables. It can be done without any third-party integration or cluster technology. Move to the another question. Another question is write a query for a column addition in a MySQL, right? Okay, it's a very easy. You can use the alter table. Okay, means this is the alter table query required to once invoke simple method that column and it is defined. For example, write alter, okay, alter table name like Ashu, okay, and then add the salary, varchar data type is 80, right? Okay, that's it. Move to the another question. Another question is, what is a foreign key? Write a query to implement the same in a SQL. A foreign key is used to connect two tables. A foreign key is a field or assortment of it in one table that allowed to the primary key in another table. The foreign key requirement is utilized for stale activity that would be cross joined between tables. To assign a foreign key, it is important to maintain while creating the table. It can be assigned by involving the foreign key query. Something means, what is a query? Means foreign key, okay, it's just like you can create table name like order, okay. Another code is order ID, okay. Order ID, which type order ID? Data is a integer, means int. Order number also int. Primary key is a order ID, then foreign key is a present ID. Reference what is a person, ID, right? That's it. Move to the another question. Another question is, what are heap table? Heap table are present in memory and they are used for high speed storage on a temporary basis. Means bulb or text field are not allowed. Only comparison operator can be used. Means equal, just wait, equal, greater, less, greater is equal to, less is equal to. Okay, auto increment is not a support by heap table. Auto increment is not a support the heap table. Indexes should be not a null. Okay. Move to the another question. Another question is differentiate between float and double. The following are difference for float and double. Floating point number as stored in a float with a 8 place accuracy and it has 4 bytes. Floating point number are stored in double with accuracy of 18 place and it can be 18 byte. Okay. Another question is differentiate character length and char length and length. Char length is the character count, whereas the length is byte count. The number are same for Latin character, but they are different for Unicode and other indent. Means not indent encoding. Another question is how to represent enums and set internally. Enum and set are used to represent power of 2 because of storage optimization. What is difference between char and varchar? Following are difference between char and varchar. Char and varchar type different in storage and retrieval. Char column length is fixed to the length that is declared. While creating table, the length value range from 1 to 255. When char value are stored, they are right padded using space to specify length. The trailing space are removed when char value are retrieved. Another question is what are procedure in a MySQL? Procedure are stored procedure are sub-program just like in a regular language embedded in the database. A stored procedure consists of a name, SQL statement and parameter. It utilizes the caching in a MySQL and hence save time and memory just like prepared statement. Another question is what is a trigger in a MySQL? A trigger is a table associated database option in a MySQL. It is activated when a specified action takes place. A trigger can be involved after or before the event takes place. It can be used and insert, delete and update. It is used respective syntax to define the trigger. For example, before insert, after delete. Another question is how to add user in a MySQL. To simple put, the user can be added by using the create command and specifying the necessary creational. First log in to the MySQL account and the application. The syntax sometime like this means create user tester identified by simple password. User can be granted permission by following command means grant select on star dot star to tester user. Another question is what is the scope difference between Oracle and MySQL? The core difference is that MySQL work on a single model database. That means it can be used work with the one basis structure, while Oracle is a multi-model database. It means it can support various data model like graph, document, key value. Another fundamental difference is the Oracle support comes with the price tag for industrial solution while MySQL is of open source. Another question is What are difference between primary key and a foreign key? The database table use a primary key to identify each row uniquely. It is necessary to declare the primary key on those tables that required to create a relationship among them. One or more default of a table can be declared as the primary key. When the table primary key are another field to making a database relation, that is called the foreign key. What is difference between MySQL fetch array and the MySQL fetch object? Both MySQL fetch array method and fetch object method are built in a method of the PHP to retrieval recording the MySQL database. The difference between the method is that my fetch array turn the result set as an array and a MySQL object return the set of result object. You can also just little bit is a search in the suppose I'm is a result my query is a select id name from client, okay, by using the MySQL fetch array, while row is equal to MySQL fetch array means result a MySQL num, print the id and name, and then using the MySQL fetch using the row fetches result, and the printf means id name row stem and name. How can you filter the duplicate data while retrieving records from the table? A distance keyword is used to filter the duplicate data from the table while retrieval the records from table. Just simple, just simple query means just wait means select distincts from okay. Move to the another question is, what does the timestamp do on update current timestamp mp data type? Timestamp column is updated with the 0 when the table is created. Update create timestamp modifier update the time tab field to current time whenever there is a change in the other field of table. How to join the table in a MySQL? We can connect two or more table in a MySQL using the JSON clause. MySQL allow various type of join class. They clause connect multiple table and return only those records that match the same value and property in the all table. The following are four easy way to connect to join two or more table in a MySQL means inner class, left joining, right joining, or cross joining. How to save image in a MySQL? Image can be stored in a MySQL database by converting them to blobs, but it is not a preferred due to the large overhead it creates. Plus, it put unnecessary load to the RAM while loading the same engine database. It is hence the preference to store the path in the database and store the image. Last question is, What are the access control lists are ACLs in accordance with the MySQL? The ACL or access control lists are used in a way to give a guidelines for security in a MySQL database. MySQL provides security based on ACLs for all the tasks performed by user like connection request, query and other operation. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this video for friend another student. Thank you so much.